Hey, how's it going, guys? What is up? It is really late. So, I think I found my cat's new thing. Go get it, Marcus. Of course now he does it because he doesn't do it because I'm recording. Oh, perfect. Alright, whatever. Again? Okay, let's do it again. Get him! Marcus! Yeah, he has to watch it. Marcus! He just ran into the wall. Oh my... Get him, Marcus! What are you doing? Come here, Marcus. Oh, we missed it. All right, let's do it again. Marcus. Oh, good boy. Such a good boy. All right, Marcus. You ready? Come on, get up. Get up. Get up. Go get it. Marcus. What are you doing, Marcus? Get up. Go. Go. Here we go. Marcus. 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 That's all my mail. Sorry. Marcus. Marcus, kitty, Marcus. Marcus, kitty, Marcus. Marcus, kitty, Marcus. Go get it. Go get it, Marcus. Alright. What are you doing down there? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're not supposed to be down here. You're supposed to be in the fucking box. Got that? You got that? Marcus? Oh, Marcus, kitty Marcus. Oh, it's a kitty witty. Ow, come here. Come on out. Come on. Ow, come on. Come on out, you lazy bum. Boo. Boo. All right, Marcus. Hop. There you go. All right, Marcus. Use the box. I think he's done. I think he's done playing. Oh, now he's just being silly. All right. Well, that was a lot of fun. I thought it was. Honest to God, I thought it was awesome. I've never had a cat that like would actually do it and play with me. Like he didn't run away. He was enjoying himself. That was awesome. I was throwing the box like this. You know, I put it there. And I actually cut it, guys. Like, because I noticed that he liked cats like boxes for whatever reason, but I cut it. Sorry, it's a 30 pack of Keystone, but... Oh, here he comes. He's going to do it again. He's going to do it again. I got it. Marcus! Kitty! Marcus! 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 What are you doing, Marcus? Marcus! 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 Come on! Go get it. Go get it. You gotta run. What are you doing? He got scared. Oh, Marcus. All right, Marcus. Kitty, Marcus. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and end this and put this up on YouTube. Guys, if you guys liked the video, don't forget a thumbs up. Also, guys, don't forget to turn on the notification bar so you guys can go ahead and you'll be notified when I make a new video. That'd be very much appreciative. It's that little bell down right here. Click that bell. Hit the like. Hit the follow. Thank you guys so much. It's actually a subscribe. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Me and Marcus here we'll make some more Marcus videos later. And I also post random stuff too, so. Alright guys, thanks for watching my channel. Joe streaming out. Peace out. Thanks guys. Say bye, Marcus. Say bye. Say goodbye, Marcus. Ooh, Marcus, yeah. Aww. Now you're all playful. Huh. Oh, you cutie. Alright guys, have a good one. As Marcus. Whoop. Alright guys, Marcus says goodbye. Have a wonderful night. Ow, fuck. Oh my god, he just jumped up and bit me. You little shit. You little shit. Alright guys, gotta go. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye.